Crypto mining platforms that promise easy earnings are everywhere, and mining rates is one of the most talked about right now. But before you invest time or money, the big question is, does mining rates actually allow withdrawals, or is it just a scam? Let's break it down. So mining rates bills itself as a community Bitcoin mining network where users can join to mine BTC without expensive hardware, even offering incentives, leaderboard rewards, and referral bonuses. You sign up, get spots, connect devices or cards, and supposedly start earning rewards in BTC that you can withdraw. According to the platform's terms, you can withdraw rewards once your mining balance reaches certain minimum BTC thresholds, like 0.005 BTC for spot mining, and they claim withdrawals are processed within business days. Sounds promising on paper, but when you check real user feedback, things get messy. Some users claim they've been mining and seeing balances, and even withdrew or transferred BTC to external wallets. Mining rates is easy to use, and payouts for some are on time. Other users report losing significant amounts, thousands of dollars, and getting their accounts locked, being unable to withdraw without meeting hidden conditions like large-scale mining power, referral requirements, or purchasing expensive hardware, even after earning balances. Poor or inconsistent customer support, and accounts being suspended with no clear refund process. Reviews are very mixed. While some boast of positive outcomes, many others describe losses, blocked withdrawals, and suspicious conditions. Here are several major red flags that experts point out about this type of project. Mining rates claimed profitability, sometimes over 100% in a short period, exceeds what real BTC mining can deliver, even with cheap electricity and top hardware. That's a classic sign of unrealistic promises. There's no transparent info on actual mining farms, hardware, or public blockchain evidence proving real mining output. Some online analysis suggest that reward structure resembles a multi-level or pyramid scheme where payouts depend heavily on new participants or referrals. Crypto scams often start by showing small, successful withdrawals to build trust, then make real payouts very hard or impossible once users invest more. Many withdrawal issues tend to show up once people try to cash out balances. So is mining rates real or fake? It's complicated. Some users report small early withdrawals, but it does not guarantee long-term legitimacy or reliable payouts, especially for larger amounts. The platform has mixed reviews, no clear external verification, and many withdrawal complaints. And projects that promise high returns with minimal verification are often unsustainable or structured like Ponzi or pyramid schemes. The final verdict: proceed with extreme caution. Do not invest money you can't afford to lose, and consider the withdrawal proof you see can often be isolated cases, not proof of a reliable system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.